Is how to create storybook with Gemini. So you go to these three dots here, you go to gems, this is gems here, and you click on storybook. So you can say you can use this format now. You can say using anime art style, using an anime, or using a cartoon. I can use a cartoon style, a style cartoon art style, using a cartoon art style, comma, create a storybook of a village boy who became a billionaire. Who became a billionaire. Make it emotional. Make it emotional. So I send it. So it's creating. Let's wait for it to create. It's creating. So let's wait for it to create. So people make use of this to create storybook. I have a friend who uses this Gemini to create a book. She created a book with using only Gemini, and the book got approved by Ministry of Education. I think this January now. They will start using it in schools. They will start using the book in schools. They will start using the books in schools. So it's creating. Yes, now the book has created. So now you won't be able to download it. This is what you do. You click on share. You share the link. Creating a public link. So you are going to share the link to your maybe like WhatsApp status, just to your WhatsApp. Just create it on WhatsApp and send it to WhatsApp. Just send it to any contact on WhatsApp. Just send it to any contact on WhatsApp first. Then, so now, this is the link now. So click on the link. This is the storybook. Can you see? In the quiet village of whispering willows, young Ella inspect. So can you see the cartoon animation now? Can you see the storybook? So how do you now get the storybook now? What you just do is you'll be copying the storybook. You will download the images just the way it has arranged it here. You can download the image. You download the image, click on download. Can you see download image? You download the images, all the images that are in the book. You download them, everything. Then you now be copying the text. You copy it and go and paste it on your Microsoft Word or your documents. You just copy and paste. You just copy. You can see, you can copy the whole story. You can copy the whole story. Can you see? You have copied the whole story. You see, copy. Then now go to your document and paste it. Just go to your document and paste it. Then you have the book.